Joyful adventure on its come, join the ride. Joyful adventure.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Joyful Adventure Audits. Thanks for joining us on another exciting exploration of Birmingham's changing landscape. Today is Sunday, August 11th, 2024, and we're here for a special and somewhat bittersweet visit. We're back at the site of the abandoned Billesley police station on Yardley Wood Road, and folks, things have changed dramatically since our last visit. As you can see behind me, demolition work has begun. Over 150 years of history is being reduced to rubble right before our eyes. It's a stark reminder of how quickly our urban landscape can change. This police station was likely one of the oldest buildings in the Billesley area. It's hard to believe that just over 2 years ago, in 2022, plans were announced to transform this site. Now, we're witnessing those plans in action. Let's recap what's happening here. The station closed its doors back in May 2019, after serving the community for over a century and a half. Since then, it stood vacant, a silent reminder of its past importance to the area. The plan, as approved by Birmingham City Council, is to replace the police station with a housing development. The developer aims to build 29 affordable homes here. We're talking about a mix of 1 to 4 bedroom family homes, predominantly for social and affordable rent. This 1.81-acre site isn't just about houses, though. The plans include parking for up to 48 vehicles and, interestingly, they're aiming to retain some of the mature trees on the site. There's even talk of opening up views of a large oak tree. It's worth noting that this development hasn't been without controversy. Some local residents have expressed concerns about increased traffic, parking issues, and the loss of mature trees. Over 150 people even signed a petition to reinstate the police station. But as we can see today, the wheels of progress are turning. This might be one of our last chances to see any remnants of the old police station before it's gone completely. What are your thoughts on this? Is this a necessary step to provide much-needed affordable housing, or is it a loss of an important historical landmark? Let us know in the comments below. If you're from the area and have any memories of the old police station, we'd love to hear them. Share your stories in the comments section. And hey, if you're enjoying our explorations of Birmingham's changing face, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest adventures. Until next time, this is Joyful Adventure Audits, encouraging you to appreciate the history around us, even as it changes. See you in the next video.
Old stations days are ending, brick by brick they're taken down. Whispers of the past are fading, history lost to modern town. Echoes of the past are crying in the halls that once stood tall. Memories of time worth treasuring, now they're just a mystery call. End of an era, tears on the ground. We held close to history, now it's housing found. Blue and white, the colors flying on the walls that served so long. Footsteps of the brave and trying, gone but in our hearts belong. Years of honor can't be measured, stories that were never told. Gone are days we used to treasure, but the legacy stays bold. End of an era, tears on the ground. We held close to history, now it's housing found. We held close the history, now it's housing found. End of an era, tears on the ground. We held close the history, now it's housing found.
Joyful adventure audits, come join the ride. Joyful adventure audits, fun's on our side. Joyful adventure audits, where joy resides. Joyful adventure audits, where joy resides.
Old walls came tumbling down. Billesley lost, never found. Streets empty, cops gone too.